This video provides an overview of how to report leave time. Opening your timesheet. Type www.gadsdenstate.edu into your web browser. Then scroll to the top and click on My Gadsden State. Enter your username and password, and click the Login button. Scroll to the left and click on Banner SSB. Click on the Employee tab, followed by Timesheet. Then you'll click on the My Choice and scroll down to the current pay period and click the Timesheet button, entering work and leave hours on your timesheet. The first week of the pay period will open, and you'll click on the Enter Hours link for the type of leave to report. Type in the number of hours taken on that day for the type of leave, and click Save. Then, if you took an additional day of leave time during the pay period, enter the hours for that day as well by clicking the Enter Hours link. Type in the number of hours, and you'll need to save after each entry. To move to the following week, click the Next button at the bottom. The next week will open. Choose the day and type of leave used during the time period and click Enter Hours. Please note, entering 0 in any field may cause an error in your timesheet. This video will show you how to leave a comment on your timesheet. To leave a comment on your timesheet, click the Comments button at the bottom of the page. Type your comments in the comment box and press Save. To return to your timesheet, click the Previous menu button. Note that your comments will only be visible in the preview mode. Your approver will check for comments. This video will show you how to submit your timesheet. When your timesheet's ready for approval, it's important to preview it first. Check your hours to make sure the days, number of hours, and type of leave are all correct, and make sure to click the Next button to see the second week of the pay period. After checking for accuracy, click the Submit button for approval at the bottom of the timesheet. After you submit for approval, the date you submitted will appear at the bottom of the timesheet. The final step is verification. Here you will enter your Banner password to verify your timesheet, and then click Submit. This video will show you how to use the Return Time feature. If you have submitted your timesheet for approval but need to make a correction to the timesheet before it's approved, you can select the Return Time button at the bottom of the timesheet to return the timesheet back to yourself. Make any necessary changes, then resubmit your timesheet by clicking the Submit for Approval button. Complete the process by entering your PIN. This video will show you how to adjust your hours. To change hours you've entered for a particular day, first click the Hours link for the date that needs to be changed. Make the changes that are needed. Then click the Save button. If you want to remove hours, click the date where you want to remove the hours. Click in the Hours box, delete the hours to make the box blank, and press Save. This video will show you how to report prior leave. Web time entry does not allow an employee to report leave on the correct workday for a prior pay period that is closed. For this reason, a different process will be utilized to report prior period leave. You will need to key all the hours under the first Sunday in the pay period. The first step is to choose the type of leave that you need to report. If you had an hour of personal leave in the prior pay period, you would enter it here. And press Save. If you also had 9 hours of sick time, you would enter it under the prior sick and press Save. And then you would leave a comment. Please note, this is very important. You must state the actual work dates and times of the prior leave in the comment section of the timesheet. Click the Save button to save your changes, and then click Previous menu. To see your comments, click the Preview button. The hours must match up to the leave requests that have been turned in. Click the Previous menu button to return to your timesheet.